Good morning, welcome to the vlog. We got some eggs, hash browns, bacon, pancakes, and coffee. Maybe need a little extra.
Go for it. Oh, I have water.
Needs to be vacuumed for sure.
Mom, can you lend me that sink toy over there? Oh, I need a floaty. I need a floaty.
Oh, look at the bug on the thing.
What? Where?
He's on the noodle. We're at Dani's favorite. Marco's Pizza. No. Starbucks.
I'm always on the hunt.
The shoes are on the wrong foot. So we left Starbucks, went and got 2 baskets of fries that we ate for our lunch because we're gonna go out to dinner in a little while. So we didn't want anything heavy. So, and now we're at Walmart looking at all this yummy fabric. Yummy fabric. Thumbnail. I said, look at all this yummy fabric.
You're not wrong.
Somebody just asked me if I had any star fabric, but I don't know what color fabric star. I mean, I've got some like gold stars or. Pass it next to my girl. It's got ice in it. Oh, I'm recording. I'm riding in the back with my girls. Me and my ladies. So we're going into Burlington. Dani's gonna go get her car detailed while we're in here. And yeah, little Miss Sassafras right there. Wait, stay right here. There's a car coming. Come on. Singing Dani some barbecue. Up in here, up in here. Bubba's Barbecue Bash. You've never ate here.
No, I never have. I'm excited though.
New place.
We're super excited.
How good was it?
It was so good.
So good.
It was delicious. And truly, and seriously and truly, it was really good.
Hello, Stringby.
There's Molly. She's gonna show us how to tie-dye.
So, we section off the shirt.
Yes.
See? I'm putting it where the black balls are. And then we squelch it, just like a real thing.
Scrunch it.
1 coffee roll.
Let me double check. Okay. 1 coffee roll.
1 strawberry frosted sprinkle donut.
Dani made us some bean soup and some fry. Oh, we didn't vlog it. We told the live we was going to vlog.
So it's really simple.
Let me get you some ice.
You use cornmeal, just plain stone ground cornmeal. And you shake out as much as you think you want. And then you add salt to your desire. And I always make a little small one first because you can always add salt to it. You can't. Take it away. And water enough to make it not soupy, but not dry.
Can I have 2 food?
2 spoons.
2 foods. What do you want? Bologna?
Hot.
It's very
It's hot.
It's good.
I want
it good?
a bologna
Oh, good.
sandwich.
No, you sit down there and you eat that. You gotta get off this meat.
Here's our tie-dyes from yesterday. Molly's. Jern's, which actually isn't that bad.
No, it took a long time to wash out, but it is not bad. I think it turned out kind of cute, personally. This is Sterling's.
Looks like a big bruise.
Sterling, here's yours. And this
Here's
is Evan's.
His is cool.
It's turned out really neat. I wish mine would have turned like this.
We're gonna go check on the baby. We're trying to decide on what to do for dinner.
Here's the other pregnant girl.
Is she pregnant?
No, that's, is she? Oh, go, get out, go take care of it. I'm gonna let her in.
It's a crime scene. Something got one of my chickens.
Get her, Mom. Over that side.
I can't get her.
She was on the hinder leg.
Yeah, she's with the other hens. So we decided we're gonna eat at fish camp, but we gotta go get some money. And because we moved the car seat into the van, we have to take the van. So, but now I'm waiting on Sterling. For the rodeo. Going to the rodeo. You looking good. Thanks there.
Yeah. Hey.
It does. It does look good on you.
Yeah.
I take this for 12.
I had it on
Go ahead.
backwards too.
Put it under your tongue.
Probably looks better now, don't it?
So much.
Yeah. No.
Y'all come back now, you hear?
Mom, you want to go?
Changed the fries up there, didn't it?
Yeah. She got some jumbo shrimps. And I got some calabash shrimps. Hi, Mama.
Come here. Come out here, guys. Kitty. Oh, come on.
Give her the chicken.
Over this way, buddy.
I put chicken in it.
Oh.
You know, that girl picked up that one, didn't she? If I picked it up, could we bring it home?
No, it's not very home.
Here, eat this shrimp. Look it! Her's playing with it. There's 2 of them. She's playing with the chicken.
I wish I could have 2 kittens.
Oh no, honey, we got 4.
Yeah. We got
Someone.
What'd you just do?
I just in there and then she like sniffing.
She's sniffing the.
Yeah, let's see the baby. Yeah.
Here.
I want to go hold the baby. I can hold it.
Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. I keep forgetting. So, but it is 11:23. I'm going to head to bed. Dani leaves in the morning, but I'll have to make some ribbon trims tomorrow. Work on a couple orders. And go to a baby shower. I didn't show you guys what I made. I'll show you guys in the morning. I'll show you guys before I go to the baby shower. How about that? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.